Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Programming Concepts. I am Naveed Abbas. In this video, I'll show you how to create Mr. Anonymous video, using 68 facial landmarks detector in OpenCV and Python. For this program, you need to install some packages. Open command prompt. Type pip install immutals. Make sure you have working internet connection. Pip will download and install the package. Do the same for OpenCV and dlib. To install dlib, you'll need Visual Studio with updated C++ compiler on your system. dlib contains machine learning algorithms. You can read more about it on the internet. Let's start coding now. Open Python IDLE and create new file. Import necessary packages. Initialize detector and specify shape predictor. I am using pre-trained facial landmarks detector. I'll provide the link in description. This is the map of 68 facial landmarks it detects. Now grab the indexes of facial landmarks of eyes, eyebrows, nose, mouth, and jaws. Start live video stream. Here 0 means first camera. If you have multiple cameras, you can switch them by changing the index value. Loop over the video. Read the frame in the video. Resize the frame to 480p width. Convert the frame to grayscale. Detect faces in the frame. Here 1 indicates to upsample the frame one time, it helps to detect more faces. Loop over each face detected. Predict the facial landmarks. Convert shape to NumPy array. Extract the coordinates for each part. Compute convex hull for each part. Draw the contours on frame. A contour is actually a continuous outline of the shape. We are drawing it on frame. Contour values. -1 means to draw all the contours. You can also specify individual contour. Next is the BGR value of color, it is given as tuple. And the last thing is thickness. -1 means to fill inside the contours. Do this for remaining contours. Show the current frame in Mr. Anonymous window. Wait for 33 milliseconds. If user presses Q, break the loop. At the end, close all windows and stop the video stream. Now save the file in the same folder, where you downloaded the predictor. Now run the program. Now we need to do some Mr. Anonymous things. I am going to use this image to replace the original frame. Read the desired image. Resize it to the same width as your video frame. Now draw all the contours on this image, instead of video frame. That's it. Jaw doesn't look nice. Let's improve it. Add 10 to the jaw end. Yeah. It's better now. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.